Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Energy stakeholders are moving to upskill their workers. This as the island diversifies its energy mix, leading to new processes. The stakeholders argue that these new operations require additional competencies, which can be nurtured right here in Jamaica. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Jamaica's energy sector has gone through significant changes over the last decade, with more changes to come on stream soon. Energy stakeholders have also called for skilled workers to reflect the changes in the sector. The Jamaica Public Service Company now taking matters into its own hand with an investment of about $7 million to create this lab. It's called the JPS Marubeni Innovation Lab and is expected to be the training ground for university graduates who want to work in the energy sector. JPS says the company has already benefited from the technical competence of 4 university graduates who presented solutions for its challenges. The innovation lab has been retrofitted with artificial intelligence, big data analytics, robots, and other software tools. In support of the move, Energy Minister Favour Williams says the energy revolution will require more electrical, civil, and mechanical engineers, solar photovoltaic technicians, experts in wind systems, and energy efficiency. She notes that this lab will be able to train and develop local talent to occupy vacancies in the technical areas of the energy sector. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 67 cents more. It's costing 18 cents more for automotive diesel, while ultra-low sulfur diesel is up by 40 cents. The price of kerosene will go up by 84 cents. Propane is going for 18 cents more, while butane is costing $1.20 less. In currency trading today, the Jamaican dollar continued to slide against the greenback. The US dollar ended the day selling for $139.63. The Canadian dollar closed at $109.03. The pound is going for $177.90, while the euro sold for $154.89. The JC Index gained 2,371 points today, while the Junior Market Index lost 4 points. Among the winners were 138 Student Living, SSL Venture Capital, JMMB Group 7.5%, Siboney Group, and the Jamaica Brawlers Group. On the losing side were Sterling Investments, Proven Investments, QWI Investments, Express Catering, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.